Grinding or squeaking noises from your garage door are a warning sign, not normal operation. Worn or damaged rollers are one of the most common causes of loud grinding sounds. Lack of proper lubrication can cause metal parts to rub and squeal during movement. Misaligned tracks or loose hardware can create friction and vibration noises. An overworked or straining garage door opener may also produce grinding sounds. Ignoring these noises can lead to bigger, more expensive repairs if not addressed early.